Hi friends, I'm Maths Bro. Welcome you in my YouTube channel, Aryagupta's Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about Vedic maths. It is an ancient mathematical trick on which we can calculate within a few seconds very complicated mathematics and in just a mind and without using any calculator. The founder of Vedic maths is Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha. Saluting him, we are going to start Vedic maths. In Vedic maths, we will find 16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas. The formulas means sutra and sub-formula means upasutra. The formula, what is meant by formula? In Sanskrit, there is a shlok says that Swalpaksharam asandigdham sarvada vishvotmukham astobham anavadyam cha sutram sutravido vidu. That is meaning Swalpaksharam, which has very few words or letters, asandigdham, no confusion or no complication. Sarvad, the telling of summary. That means it should contain the summary, only summary. Vishvotmukham, that means it is a all people can understand. Astobham, applicable all over you can use it. Anavadyam, that has no meaningless word in it. Ana means no. Sutram sutravido vidu, that is known as sutra. Okay. Now we are starting with first formula or sutra, that is Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata. Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata, that is a complicated formula. Let me see. Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata. The meaning of Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata is, it's damn confusing. I know that. That is taking 1 from 9 and taking whole from 10. Please do not go on that formula right now before we are going to start. Oh yeah, I forgot it. Before we should start, we must know the sign convention in Vedic mathematics. So first we will learn what is sign convention. As we know, in mathematics, the minus sign is shown by bar or keeping just a bar in logarithm. Same thing we are applicable here. How we gonna write a minus 1? We are going to write a minus 1 as 1 bar. Minus 2, 2 bar. If we want to write a positive thing, we never write a bar or any sign. If there is a no sign, that meaning is a positive. So if we want to write 3 or 4 or 5, etc. Okay. Now we are going to start our first formula, Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata. Let's start it. Now, we are going to calculate 8 into 9. I know that you all know that there is a 72 is the answer and it is a very simple. Yeah, but we are going with basics. Now as we know in mathematics, the 10 base is very much important. The base 10, 100, a multiple of 10, or we may say the multiples of 10s we use in as a base. As a base we can use 10 raised to x, anything. That is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, whatever you want to take. Now, for this calculation, I take a base as 10. Now, we can say that the 10, the difference between 8 and 10, we know that is 2. And in the difference between 10 and 9 is 1. As we know, 8 is less than 10, so we can write like that. Or for understanding, 8 is equal to 10 minus 1. 10 minus 2. So we can write 8 is equal to 2 bar. That is 10 minus 2. Now 8 minus 1 is 7, or 9 minus 2 is also 7. Now minus 2 into minus 1. What is that? Plus 2. So it is a plus 2 is equal to 72. Let me take another example for your better understanding. Now we are moving slightly high level, 99 into 90. Now here base is, as we know, we must take a base as a 100. Now 99 is lesser than 1 by 100, and 90 is lesser than 10 in 100. Isn't that? So 90 minus 1 or 99 minus 10 is what? 89. 1 into 10 is equal to 10, and minus into minus is equal to plus. So we are just keeping it as a plus. As we know, in a base there is a 2 zeros. So we must take last 2 digits. So my dear friends, the answer is 8910. If you practice it very well, you may calculate it within a few seconds and a mind. We did not require a calculator. Let's take me another example. Our next example is 11 into 15. Now once again, the base is 10. 11 is greater than 1 and 15 is greater than 5. But remember, here the multipliers are greater than our base. So we must take it as a positive sign. Remember that. Now, here is a positive sign. So 11 plus 5 or 15 plus 1, both must come as the same as a 16, and 5 ones are 5. The answer, we have 10, so one number 165. Very simple. Now we take 1 minus 1 positive. One sec. Now, what to do now? Very simple. The base remains same. 11 is greater than 1 and 9 is smaller than 1. So 1 bar. 11 minus 1 is equal to 10, or 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, as we know. Now 1 into 1, 1. But remember my friends, positive into negative is always negative. You know the sign convention. Positive into positive is equal to positive. Negative into negative is equal to positive. Positive into negative is equal to negative. Negative into positive is always equal to negative. That is a sign convention. So we have 1 0, so we have 1 base. So what is the meaning of 10 1 bar? That is the meaning is 100 minus 1, that is 99. 11 into 9 is 99. Let's take a more complicated example. Don't afraid. We are still going to solve this. I know it is showing like a big number. It will be horrible, terrible to many of you guys. But we can do very easily. Now, here we must see how much numbers or which base we want to take. It is a 10,000. We must take 10,000 as a base. Now my friends, this 9,987 is how much lesser than 10,000? Is lesser than 13. And we easily can say that is greater than 25. Now, either you can subtract or you can add. I always prefer to subtract because subtraction is very simple thing. So it's come out to be 12, and now the multiplication 7, 25 and 7, 32. But remember, minus plus should be minus. We have 4 zeros, so we must have 4 numbers. So it comes out to be 112, 9, 6, 7 and 5. You may calculate it, or within Just keeping a Vedic maths right behind you, you can solve this. I think you may not understand. It is a complicated as it is. So we solve it again. 9,987 is lesser than 13 to 10,000. Our base is 10,000. 10,025 is greater than 10,000 by 25. Now, if we subtract 13 from 10,025, we will get 10,012. Or, if we add 25 into 9,987, we will get the same answer as we seen in previous examples. Now, my dear friends, 13 into 25 is 3,025. Sorry, 325. But our base is 10,000. 10,000 has 4 zeros. So, our this side number must have 4 figures. Isn't that? Now, the pretty much simple trick I use it. Sorry, 1 second. Sorry. It should be 1. Simple thing I have done. Subtract 1 from this side to get the answer. So if we have a calculation like that, something, a big calculation, 90000, sorry, minus 87652 or something like that. What we do, subtract 2 from the 10, we will get 8, and complete it by completing subtracting 8 from 9. So it should be 4, 3, 8 and 0. Simply we done here. Subtracting 0 from 9, 3 from 9 is 6, 2 from 9 is 7, and the last figure we must subtract from 10. The front figure we can subtract from 999, but last figure subtract from 10, and remember here should be minus 1. So we will get that is as our answer. Very simple. Now take another example. Now our next example is 17 into 17. So base should be 10. Yeah. Now always greater than 7, but not minus. It is a positive because it is greater. It is positive. 7 sevens are 49. If we add 7 into 17, we will get 24. Isn't that? Now, my dear friends, the base is 10 and we have 2 figure. What we can do? Add this 4 into that side. 2, 8, 9. Did you get that? What I have done here? 49 and adding 4 into this side. Okay. Please check again. 17 is greater than 7 by 10. 7 sevens are 49. But our base is 10, which contain only one single 0. And we have 2 figures on our right side. So we take a 4 on this side and we add it and we will get 289. Let me take another example. Our next example is 125 into 130 multiplication. So our base, now base is 100, which has 2 zeros. It is greater than 25, it is greater than 30. If we add it, and it should come out to be 155. 2500, 25 through 75. Now we have only, remember that we have 2 zeros in our base and we get 3 numbers. So we will add 7 on this side. So we will get it as a 7 and 5, 12, 6, 1, 2 and 5, 0. So answer is 16,250. Let me revise it. 125 into 130, So 125 is greater than 25 and 130 is greater by 30. So if we add 30 into 125, it comes out to be 155. Or if we add 25 into 130, also we will get 155. 25 into 30, we will get 750. But as we have two zeros in our base, so we must take 7 on left hand side. To left hand side, we add it in 155, we will get 162 and 50. Now the answer is 16,250. Now we have finished more than many examples. I will take only last example, that is only one example. After that, I will give you homework. And remember, mathematics, always learn by own mistakes, in your own mistakes. If you try to solve these examples, if as a homework, you may better know how you can calculate it very fast, where you go wrong or where you do mistakes, and you will learn from your mistakes. Now give me a few seconds. Now I have given few examples right here. Please try to solve it as a homework. And if any query in this maths, please comment on this. If you like it, if you want more Vedic mathematics, please subscribe my channel. And yeah, I will come back with the second formula or sub-formula of Nikilam Navata Charmam Dashata Anurupekena in next video. Thank you for watching this, and please do homework. I know it is boring, but you will find it is too much fun, too much interesting, and I will give the answer in next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Maths Bro, and thank you so much.